Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Juceila here. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. As always, don't forget the bell so you're notified every single time I post a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about skincare. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I love, what I've been using that has helped me so well with my dry, normal skin. If you wanna see what I'm using, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. As always, grab yourself a cup of tea, coffee, or wine, and let's talk beauty. The first cleanse I'm going to be showing you is the one that I use morning and night every single day. This particular cleanser is so great because it's gentle, it's for sensitive skin, and it's great for someone like myself that is normal to dry skin. I've been loving this. I've probably been using this on and off for the 5 years, but this has been my go-to cleanser, super gentle. I love how it makes my skin feels. It really just leaves beautiful hydrated skin. It does not strip my oil, whatever little oil that I have. Keep in mind I am dry normal, so it does not irritate my skin. It does not strip off any oil from my skin. It really makes it feel beautifully cleansed. I love this. The other one that I also alternate between is the Kora Organic one, and this one is beautiful. It's very nourishing. It really just maintains my balance on my skin, and this little guy here does so much more. It really helps with brightening. It does remove makeup as well, but I usually use it when I'm feeling a little bit more tighter and my skin feels a little bit in more need of a little extra caring. Love. As you can see, they're both almost empty, so they're very much loved over here. The other ones that I love to use when I am wearing makeup, the one that I always go to is the Purity face wash. And the reason I do is because this little guy here removes everything. When I say everything, everything. You don't want a cleanser that's going to leave your skin irritated. This does not. It removes everything. It's great for removing, let's say when you do a bold, dark smoky eye or very dark heavy makeup. This removes everything. All you need to do is mix a little water with it, and that's it. Everything is gone. The other way that I love to remove my makeup, and this also gives me skincare benefits, I really like this as well. This is such a good way if you're traveling because it doesn't spill anywhere. It's so convenient, but the most important thing, it really does strip off all that makeup. So what do you want to do with this? And of course it has a little cute little spoon there, that magnetic spoon. You want to grab some of that. You want to melt this into your skin when your makeup is still on. So in this case, once I'm done, that's what I'm going to be doing, melting all of that, and it just takes everything off. But what I normally do when I do take my makeup off, I double cleanse. So whether I use this or this, I always go back in with one of these because I really want to make sure that nothing is left over on my skin. So that's why I always recommend double cleansing, especially if you're wearing makeup constantly. Now, we're going to move on to treatments before I go on to my serums and moisturizers. The two that I'm using at the moment that I love is my mask by Ole Henrisken. He is so good. His masks are always so good. Hydra Clay mask. It's so hydrating, but it detoxifies the skin. This year, whenever I feel like my skin is really feeling like I've worn makeup a lot that week, or I've worn, especially now with the mask, this is such a great mask to use around that mouth area. It really detoxes the skin. I absolutely love this. And then I do scrub my skin. I don't scrub every day, and I don't recommend scrubbing every day, even if it's a gentle exfoliation. This right here is my to-go-to face polish, which is a scrub. I love it because it purifies my skin. It removes any dryness of my skin, and that allows my products to go on smoother and much nicer and really sink into my skin to do what it's supposed to do. And it also brightens, and that's the reason why I love this one too. It's for sensitive skin and it's super gentle. I only use this maybe twice a week. If you're on the oilier side, you can possibly get away with maybe 3 times, but if you're on the drier side and you're sensitive or you're just starting to establish a routine, I would definitely recommend maybe once or twice a week. Now to the good stuff that I do every single day, because these two guys here are the things that I do on extra special days and only twice a week. This guy here, this is my serum, and It's the Cindy Crawford serum. This here just is so nice. 2 pumps of this goes a long way. It brightens my skin, it tightens, and it firms. If you're like myself, over 30, you definitely want to make sure you're using something that's going to firm, tighten your skin. What I do, I usually wash my face and then I put on a night cream, and this is the next step I'm going to be showing you, which is right now I'm using the Pure eye cream. This here has a little tool like this, so it helps with depuffing. You want to squeeze that and depuff your eye area with that. So nice and so cooling, especially for those long nights. This is so good to just really soothe that eye area. And the moisturizer that I'm obsessed with right this moment, I love very much, is the Marc Jacob moisturizer. I love this guy, and it's such a big jug. It's so nice. It's from dry to normal skin, and it feels like a beautiful gel texture. It just goes on so nice, and it really does hydrate my skin. With the help of the serum and the moisturizer, that's where I get most of my moisture from, and I love this combination together. It just is everything for me right now. It really is keeping me hydrated and glowy and dewy, and my skin nice and soft. I love. So check it out. This is the texture, the Marc Jacob Youthquake. Really nice. And then 2 things that I always do, I try to do them at least 3 times a week. The lip, we tend to forget about the lip. I use the Jouer scrub, a beautiful sugar scrub. I do this usually when I'm wearing a mask, and I take the time and I put this on my lip. And then I remove it and I go in with my Jouer Essential Lip. You guys have seen this here a few times now. I love this. It just gives my lips that beautiful hydration without feeling so yucky and, like sticky. It's not sticky at all. I put it overnight, and it just keeps my lip beautifully hydrated and plumped. I feel like it does plump a little bit. I know it just feels really nice on my lip. Those are the products I've been using and loving. Those are some things that I've gone back and forth, and I do like to alternate and change my routine depending on the season. If it's summer, I'm gonna go without a serum because my skin is actually producing a little bit more oil, so I don't have to put in a serum. But in the winter time, I do need a serum for that extra hydration. The serum really just helps to give that skin a barrier before you put on your moisturizer. So when you put on your moisturizer, it really helps to sink into your skin and do what it's supposed to do. I love using a serum in the winter time. It really does elevate my skincare routine. Now, I'm not saying for you to go and do all of this. It's a lot. It can be overwhelming. What I do suggest is to invest in a great eye cream, a great cleanser for your skin type, of course, and a great moisturizer, and again for your skin type. Those are the 3 things that you need to start an amazing skincare routine. And you can always add if you need. You can always take away if you feel the need as well. As always, guys, thank you so much for being here, and I hope this was really helpful. And if you guys have any more questions about skincare or anything that I'm using, definitely leave them down below. Just a little FYI, I am not a doctor. I just love skincare. As some of you guys don't know, I used to work for Sephora. I learned so much there, so this is why I know a little bit more about what I'm doing to my skin, and this is what I'm using on my skin, and this is what's been working for my skin. I hope you find what is going to work for your skin and start glowing. As always, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.